Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Jen on Acre by the Creek. Welcome to our Acre by the Creek homestead. We are a young millennial family living a life of contentment and sustainability in Pennsylvania. On our channel, you can join us on our journey of gardening, home improvement, homesteading, and raising our daughter alongside of our German Shepherd dog. Follow along for some fun, hard work, and lots of love. You can stay tuned in with each of us personally on Instagram at Acre by the Creek and Alfaro Co. And of course, by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn the bell on for notifications so you never miss one of our videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here every Friday.